that just happened.
I'd like to say that I'm sorry, but it's Andy's toolbox, so I don't really care. Alright, so we got a busy day today. I'm actually in Waco at the moment because we're dropping off the trailer. Remember the trailer? So if you guys remember when we went to Florida, we had a little mishap with the wheel. Wheel actually came off the trailer, so. Can you believe this? Can you believe that? Damn nut and safety pin is still on the axle, and they just took the wheel off. I don't get it. Main thing is we got to get this trailer up and ready for the racing season. Now I got to get back to Houston, which is not a big deal. Waco, Houston, it's all the same thing. But got to get back there because I got to take the trans out of the bullet so we can get that thing refreshed. My buddy Josh, luckily, is going to help us out with that. And then third thing we got to do tonight, we got to get to Andy's house and try to motivate him to take that motor out, because obviously we postponed the trip to American Speed Shops to get some of this stuff done. But he's got to get that motor out as soon as possible because I'm leaving with or without him. So Phil's gonna take care of us on the trailer, and let's get back to Houston. I was trying to move the toolbox because just wanted to move it, and I didn't realize that the drawers don't lock in Andy's toolbox. I don't know why he doesn't have a locking toolbox, but they didn't lock. So tried to move it. He had some chocks underneath it, and the drawers came out and it tipped over, so I just got out of the way. I've been crawling underneath there and digging tools out as I need.
Really?
Luckily, I've found everything I've needed. So
they all fell out for me. So
yeah.
Served the purpose.
Yeah.
What the hell did you do to my toolbox? There's no hot dogs in there.
So I was trying to move it.
Oh, you moved them off the things?
I moved the thing, and the drawers came out, and it just started tipping. I said, "Well, take the wheel, Jesus."
Dude, that's happened to me.
And he definitely took the wheel.
Did you find all my sockets?
So I've been digging stuff out so I can take them apart.
At least pick up the stuff.
I've been digging them out so I could find all this.
You know why I put those things, right?
Yeah, so it wouldn't tilt over.
No, because the concrete is like this. So when you open one, all of them want to come out.
Yeah.
So I build it kind of leaning back. That's happened to me.
Alright, so we got the toolbox back up. No thanks to Alex's help. And Andy is over there trying to take the motor out. In the meantime, I am busy setting up what's going to be our new podcast studio here. Look, what were we saying?
You're not Howard Stern, bro. Seriously.
Do your intro.
Live from Piston Head's garage.
So we're gonna have naked chicks on here.
doing the most pornographic things in this garage. Just like Howard Stern's. Okay?
We're gonna lock the door so Liz can't see what
She's not allowed in the garage. Okay?
Anyways, that's what I'm actually setting up because we're gonna be doing a YouTube live broadcast from here. Just having Andy, because y'all said you wanted to see more of Andy, so I'm gonna bring more of Andy to the channel. We're gonna do podcasts. This is what you wanted to see. This is what you wanted to see.
Hold on, let me see. Hey, I gotta show you something.
Alignment. Nobody cares about alignment. See, I brought my...
No. I'm not even making fun of it. Those are just work shoes, right? So, but put your feet straight. It's about that camera, cuz. Look at the camera, cuz. It's about the stance. Juan got that stance.
My shoes are stance.
Who am I? Guys, let's get to work.
You're such a dick. Anyways.
I bet you that's gonna be the intro. Guys, let's get to work.
Yeah, I'll probably put it as the intro.
Every time I see this video, I'm like, please don't put me that time. And then what is it? Fucking Andes. Damn, why act like that?
So, anyways, back to the thing.
So,
for real though, nothing car related going on. No update.
prolonging from taking torque converter bolts off.
Hurry up!
I don't want to mess with that, dude.
Get under there.
Hunter, come take them off, Hunter.
Alex, can you help your boy out, please?
Yes, I'm done with this.
He'd rather take the converter bolts out than organize. This is Alex's attempt at organizing tools that I dropped. Yeah, I was planning on going to Georgia, and that didn't happen because Andy bailed on me.
No, because he didn't want to go without me.
So we're gonna postpone that for just like a week or two. Get some work done. Take some more. Yeah, we gotta take the trailer back that I also fucked up.
Everything that I've owned ever since I became friends with Juan, he is damaged. My truck was perfectly fine on a 6-speed street truck.
Oh, you're gonna blame the truck on me?
The truck was a street truck, never overheated, never did nothing wrong. It just, I drove it to the college station and back, never had any issues. And what happened? I'll tell you. That happened. That happened. That happened. That happened.
It sounds like you should be saying thank you, not complaining about it.
This fucking equipment. Look at this equipment.
What the? I want it low. Oh, it's falling still.
It's because it's on the rubber.
Yeah, no. Go ahead with the intro.
What intro? Which one do you want? You tell me which is the one you want.
I want the live intro.
I know, but which one?
Like
I've done like 2 or 3 of them. I did the one with the cowboy hat, with not the cowboy hat, with Piston Head shirt on, with the Arsenic shirt on, with the Miller Lite shirt on.
What does it matter?
Live from Piston Head's garage, Richmond, Texas. Sorry.
Dude, you do what you do.
I'll
do what I do.
Because this is pretty boring, so I will just hang out with you guys for a little bit.
Houston, Texas. What's that all about?
Houston.
Houston?
Houston.
Houston. You say Houston.
No, I didn't say Houston.
Is that like a thing?
No, I said Houston.
When you're from Houston?
No, I said Houston. Well,
Houston, Texas.
No, Houston. How would you say Houston then?
I say Houston.
Houston? Is that how you say Houston?
Where are you going? Stay next to the mic.
Why are we pretending to fucking rehearse right now? I can
My hand is hurt. My hand.
When the motor went out.
At least make sure the flag is in frame.
Sorry. Big shout out to Horsepower Alliance for giving me the flag. When the motor went out, they reached out, gave me their condolences.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, 100%. Thanks guys, appreciate that.
We'll tackle them up.
They're stupid Juan.
Anyways. So that's the update. Not much going on. We're just shenanigizing.
What is shenanigans?
Shenaniganizing.
You talk shit about me?
Shenaniganizing. New word. Look it up. It's in the dictionary. Anyways, that's it for now. Andy's gonna get back to work.
I never give it to you.
You have a bathroom inside. He always pees on his driveway. All the time, dude.